Okay, hi, this is a tutorial to use Endnote. Okay, so based on the link I gave, okay, tekan and then you will be directed to this folder here. Okay, so here you have to install, you have to download these things all. Especially this is the software. Okay, download everything, software, the license and everything. So once you download, you install as usual. Install and then you get to it. Okay, this is a PowerPoint how to use Endnote, but it's okay, I'll do a tutorial to make it clear. Okay, so after that, once you download, install, setup and all, you'll get this Endnote logo here. Yeah, this is Endnote. Okay, so now let's go and search for article and article, sorry. Okay, so usually we take from Google Scholar because it's free there, and there's no like royalty things and stuff. Easy to cite, easy to download and all. So we get into Google Scholar and then we search for any article, for instance food waste statistics. You can also use Scopus, but Scopus you should go through UKM journal stuff, some kind of website like that, but it's slow, it's extremely slow, so it's better use Google Scholar. Okay, for instance, you have already took contoh, you take the definition from this paper, so you can cite this paper. This what do you call this, double apostrophe whatever thing, you should tekan that. That means cite, means you cite this paper, so you just cite this paper. And then can you see Endnote here? Tekan Endnote. Once you tekan Endnote, they want to download. Okay, to me I will put it at Endnote library. I put it here usually, so I put Scholar 2. So once I put Scholar 2, you already download this Endnote thing, and then what you should do is tekan Microsoft Word. For instance, you're doing your your sentence there. Sorry, let me share the screen. I guess I'm in a different screen right now. Where did I go? Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, I will share the screen when I book up Microsoft Word. I book up Microsoft Word. You tekan on sentence, or contoh lah, you take the definition of food waste, blah blah blah. Okay, settle. We haven't settled another procedure actually. What we should do is, oh my god, too many screens to share. So let me share another screen, my document screen. Oh no, wait guys, a minute. Okay, let me share a new screen. Okay, just now I saved this Scholar 2, right? Okay, so now I have to book out that first. You have to book out first before you enter Microsoft Word into your document. Okay. Once Endnote, I can share the screen. Okay, let me share Endnote. Let me show you how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is the thing you actually cite just now. So what you should do is you should select in the sense of you have to tekan lah. Okay, once you tekan, you just leave it like that. Now you can go to Microsoft Word. You can go to Microsoft Word. Okay, once you install and set up and all, you will have this thing called Endnote X9 here. This is the latest version of Endnote. Okay, so what you do is you should just insert selected citation because this time you select it, right? So insert selected citation. This is reference. So what you should do is you should just push it down and just take your reference. So the further whatever you cite all will masuk here. For instance, right, let me show you again. I cite another thing for another sentence. For another sentence, what I do is I go to Google Scholar. Okay. So I go to Google Scholar and then I cite another paper. I cite and I tekan. Again, the thing will download. Okay, so once it download, as I said, you have to book up. You have to book up. This thing already masuk. See, it's new one. So you have to select again, and then you can go to your document. Once you go to your document, as I said, tekan Endnote X9, and then you insert your selected citation. Tengok, this thing automatically will masuk in reference. Easy to use Endnote. So that's all. Thank you.